Yes. You holding your bottle like you did when you were really little, when you were 5 days old. This is the tiny bottle, so you can hold it. You can hold it, baby. Let mama help you. Here you go. Falling asleep. Let me get you to hold it. Put your hand up. Come on. Trying to get you to hold it, bud, Mom. You're fighting, Mama. Okay, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're moving the camera all around. Okay, get the other hand. Can't help you with one hand too much, baby. Good, get the other hand. Good, good. You hold it some kind of way, huh? Good, 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 big boy. At 2 months and a few days, you got it. You had it from the beginning at 5 days. Good. Oh, you're holding your hand underneath it. Okay. As a prop. He always likes to hold it up as a prop. Hold his hand up. Too funny. Love you, Bum Bum.